Hello student, now we'll see interfacing of keyboard. The keyboards are available. Alphabetical keyboards are also available and numerical keyboards are also available. The keypad is used as an input device to read the key pressed by user and to process it. So we know microcontroller knows only ASCII value. When you press a keys, it will send ASCII value to microcontroller to identify which key is get pressed. So there are 4x4 keypad consist of 4 rows and 4 columns. The switches are placed between the rows and columns. The key press establish a connection between the corresponding row and column between which the switch is placed. Mostly columns and rows are assigned on the different port, or the 4 rows on 4 bit of one port and 4 columns on the other same port of the other 4 bits. The rows are connected to output port and the columns are connected to input port. If no key has been pressed, reading the input port will give ones for all columns because columns are connected to input port. Since they are connected to high, that is VCC, so all columns are connected as an input and connected to VCC. If the no keys are pressed, then it will send ones for all keys. We'll see the diagram here. The rows and columns. So rows are output and the columns are input. These are the rows and these are the columns. So they are assigned on the port B. The rows are assigned from RB0 to RB3 and the columns are assigned with the RB4 to RB7. So all columns are connected to VCC. If the rows are grounded and the key is pressed, the rows are what? They are grounded. And if the key is pressed, that time what happen? And one column have 0. Since the key is pressed, provide path to ground. For example, I'll say here 0 to 9 numerical values are there and 8, B to F are alphabetical numbers. This also denote the hex value. If I'll say 4 I have pressed, so that time your row is get grounded. Row is get grounded. The rows are already grounded and the columns are at VCC. So if I press this, 4th pin or 4th number is get pressed, it gives path to flow current. So it's a function of microcontroller to scan keyboard continuously whether which key from which row and column is get shorted. It is continuous scanning for the detection and identify which key is pressed. For the detecting press key, the microcontroller ground all the rows by providing 0 to that input and reads the column. Data is read from this RB4 to RB7. No key press, that means it sends 1. If one of the column has a 0, that means ground. See, ground is get connected That means that key is particular, that key is get pressed. We'll see the interface. Here is the interface of keyboard. This is 4x4 matrix. 4x4 matrix means 4 rows and 4 columns. 4 rows and 4 columns are connected to particular port B, and the what key is get pressed is sent to or display on the LCD. Thank you, student.